traveling over 5,100 kilometers aboard our King of the Indian Roads Raja, we welcome you to Surat. In the previous episode, we dove headfirst into the loud, relentless world of textile factories, thanks to our new friend Ajaz. But now we are switching gears, from the roar of machines to the sparkles of stones.
Wow.
Goosebumps, I tell you guys. Because Surat is also the Diamond City, a global hub where 90% of the world's diamonds are cut and polished. With over 5,000 diamond manufacturing units, this city is home to some of the most advanced cutting factories on the planet. This isn't something you will find on your average Indian tour, so stick with us as we step inside one of these secretive factories where diamonds are sliced with precision, whisper luxury, and shine like stars. Welcome back to Bharat 108. We are Jenny and Adam, an Italian couple who left busy London for a crazy mission, traveled for over 10,000 kilometers across India aboard an auto rickshaw. Our journey so far. This is where we started. And this is where we are now. Hello guys, we are in Qatar, Gam.
To the Diamond District.
Yes, and we cannot wait. We cannot wait to find out more
About
how
our rough diamond turns to a beautiful jewel.
Yes. Let's go!
Namaskar.
Welcome. And this is Himanshu, the owner of the Jaikar Group and a good friend of Ajaz. He kindly agreed to open the doors of his factory and introduce us to the fascinating world of diamond cutting and polishing. Himanshu mainly works with clients from Surat, and he describes himself as the middleman.
There are different categories in diamond industry also. Like he's a job worker. Upper level, they bring the diamond from the abroad. They give to him. They get it a polish and they sell to it in an SMR. So there are levels. He's in second level. Upper levels, take care of the purchasing diamond, selling the diamond.
So you don't source, you just receive the diamond that somebody else in Surat has sourced.
Sources, yes, exactly.
You cut, polish and then send back.
And here we go, it's time to step into the factory. We never experienced something like this before, and we are so excited to bring you along and hopefully add a little sparkle to your day. Before any cutting begins, each diamond is scanned to create a 3D model of the rough stone. This high-tech process helps design the best possible cutting plan, maximizing the diamond's value by taking into account its size, shape, inclusions, and potential yield. The goal? The perfect cut, with as little waste as possible.
From cutting, for sure you got some waste, yeah? With the waste, what do you do? Smaller diamonds?
ये बदलने प्रोसेस है ये स्मॉल डायमंड में छोटे बड़ा वाला ना
Waste. As per the marking, the another part will come with the bigger and we show the smaller diamond.
Okay.
So there's work of smaller diamond pit.
small then
Your waste part. Your waste.
very bad no weight.
And this is why in Surat you are master on this.
Yes, you heard that right. The waste is only around 1 to 2% throughout the entire process.
How much diamonds, purity, colors, size, dependent. The all planning here. So then process the cutting.
Okay.
They finalize the shape and give all the markings on it. According to marking, the laser machine will be cut in that shape.
Yeah.
It's the best option.
Manually impossible and computer both out it.
Okay.
Computer supported.
It's a whole and rough diamond. So they decided to cut into parts. This part will be useful. This part will be useful.
Then cutting day.
Yeah. You are gonna use for
It's also this.
So you decided to cut in two parts to have the less waste possible?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is the white part is the white diamond. They decided to cut it in two parts to have the less waste as possible, and then the white part is gonna be analyzed again, and they're gonna get more shapes out of it to have the less waste as possible. So the waste is around 1%, 1 to 2% from a rough diamond to the final product.
Then cutting here and one pass here. The green inclusion and red inclusion, all the wastage.
That's wastage, okay. So even the shape give value.
Shape and the size.
Shape and size.
Size and purity.
And purity.
The three thing, a combination of the three things.
So we have here 4 cutting machines and depends on the quality of the diamond and the size, they pick the machine to use. So high quality, high value goes into this machine. Medium is this machine, small the previous one. And then there is a 4th one that we are gonna see later, which is even lower quality.
It's giving a shape, proper shape. A triangle, heart shape, piers, all shape is a process.
So here they shape in the diamonds. Before laser technology, what did they use?
Laser technology in, I think, 1990.
1990. इन्हें पहले शू करता था मैनुअल करता था
Manually
मैनुअली के साथ
इससे हमारे ने for
stone on that day used to polish. No, it's a memory.
not machine perfect cutting, then laser machine.
Okay. The laser machine gives you perfect cut. As with the technology, they were doing it. For 1990,
More wastage.
okay, because while they're cutting, while they're putting, while they're throwing, so it cut directly. But here laser, perfect for that.
2000, 2005 year.
2005 first
MSc.
Okay.
And then production is higher.
Minor waste. Okay.
Probably are the more skilled and experts here.
Expertise and skill.
Micron accurate.
Accuracy of a micron, of a millimeter. So the material used to polish the diamonds is actually a metal with powdered diamond in it, like Vidium.
This is after polishing the videography. Wow!
So guys, basically in the certificate there is a number, and that number, the identification number, you can actually find it inside the diamond. It's actually imprinted inside the diamond. As you can tell, it's there.
At this point, we had seen all the main steps in the fascinating world of diamond cutting and polishing, but I still had a few questions for our friend Himanshu. So we sat down in his office and he kindly gave us some extra time to help us understand this world even better. How do you deal with security with your employees?
All employees reference. Where correct employees get hired is the reference to reference. And then all offices, all premises covered the CCTV camera. Yeah. And check inside and other outside. The security check.
Would it never happen that an employee still...
No. 25 years.
Trustworthy work.
Right.
The highly security. Called by highly security.
Yeah.
It's on CCTV camera, with metal detector. You find when we come,
Yeah.
he didn't entertain us until I spoke him on call. Then he allowed to us to enter.
Don't allow security allowed. Don't allow.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And let's say that somebody would like to work in your factory. We call it factory.
Yeah, it's a fire.
Yes. Which skills somebody has to have? Is it a school that they have?
Then they have some schools who teach how to work on diamond, how to do the shape.
Yeah.
There are some institutes who offer the courses regarding the diamond.
In Surat.
After completing that, they can apply for the job.
Who would have thought that behind closed factory doors in the heart of Surat we would discover a world where raw stones are turned into treasures? This wasn't just about machines or sparkle. It was about precision, tradition, and a hidden side of India most travelers never get to witness. Massive thanks to Himanshu for opening up his world to us, and to Ajaz for making this unexpected journey possible. If this episode surprised you, just wait for what's coming next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon somewhere else in incredible India.
sa sa re re mama papa re re mama papa ni ni mama papa ni ni sa 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 ni da pa ma ga re pa 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 mama pa 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 ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re ga sa re ma pa 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 mama pa 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 ma pa sa.
And here we are, finally we passed the Tropic of Cancer. Ole!
Ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re pa 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 mama pa 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 ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re ga sa re ma pa